Hi, my name is Dan Pitt. I'm the Executive Director of the Open Networking Foundation, and I'm speaking with you today from the first ONF Plugfest. It's an interoperability event being hosted by Ixia, one of our member companies in Santa Clara, California. I'm in the Network Operations Center here. Well, it's right behind me, as you can see through the window there. We have over a dozen of our members and some research institutes contributing to this interoperability event that we're celebrating this week. It's a 5-day event. We're testing out all of the implementations to make sure that they do work together. So I'm happy to join this event and hope that you can see the benefits of it soon. The OpenFlow and SDN concepts originated in an academic environment at Stanford and Berkeley. The goal of ONF is to commercialize this technology. And a key element of commercialization is making sure that different industry implementations work together. Hence, we're opening this facility up this week for this Interoperability Plugfest put on by the Testing and Interoperability Working Group of the Open Networking Foundation. Without interoperability, customers are afraid to get locked into buying one vendor's equipment only. This way, if we have demonstrated that different people's implementations of the OpenFlow protocol do interoperate, customers will have greater confidence they can build out their networks using a variety of suppliers according to the price, performance, and features they desire.
So Ixia joined the ONF in May of last year, shortly after the ONF was formed. And we joined to take a leadership role in the testing and interoperability area. In fact, we're the chair of the Testing Interop Working Group. Within that working group, we're focused on 3 key areas. First is certification of compliance to the OpenFlow specification. Second is interoperability, so we can support multi-vendor environments. And third is defining benchmarking standards. So as we develop OpenFlow, we can benchmark devices, controllers, and switches and establish their performance using the same methodology. So this week, we are hosting the very first interoperability event here at the ISM City Lab. And it's a big step forward because we have about a dozen vendors who are supporting OpenFlow 1.0. And we're actually proving that, although it's a very early specification, there are vendors that are supporting it, it's working, and we're using this time to determine what areas need to be worked on, what areas are working, and it really helps to accelerate the development for the vendors that are participating.
The Plugfest has been helpful, basically allowing us to make progress, OpenFlow make progress on 3 fronts. Obviously, there's the benefit of having the products prove that they can interoperate and work together, because that's how you build solutions, and really that's all customers care about is the solution. But also it also helps to prove out that the specification is written in a way that multiple vendors working from the same documentation can come up with products that will interoperate. And so where there are any weaknesses in the specification, they might be exposed at an event like this. The third one that I didn't really anticipate was the collaboration that occurs here. I got to meet a lot of people in the OpenFlow community that I hadn't met before, and we've already got some ideas about how we can collaborate more on solutions for the customers.
I think it adds an important air of legitimacy, and also, maybe most importantly, it encourages kind of an open ecosystem of this is how and where and under what umbrella to contribute to OpenFlow and SDN.
Well, as in with any standards protocol, it's important to make sure that your implementation can operate with the other vendors. The Interop events and Plugfest events gives us a great opportunity to test out our implementation, make sure that all the differences between vendors can be addressed, and ensure interoperability.
We think the interoperability of multi-vendor is important. So to get some technical knowledge about interoperability through this event is valuable for us.
This is a great event for us. Many vendors get together in one place and do all the testing for a week. So we can make fully interoperable with each other. Because NEC has been shipping GA product in OpenFlow area, interoperability is very important for us.
Well, Intel has always been a proponent of open systems, whether it is compute systems or networking systems. The ONF, or Open Networking Foundation, brings together leaders in the industry that have the similar visions and similar goals to enable open platforms in the networking space, and Intel is very excited to be part of this movement.
NEC is one of the founding members of ONF. NEC started OpenFlow project with Stanford University in 2007, and funded Greenthread Lab together. Since then, we have been leading OpenFlow standard activity and deployments.
Spirent joined the ONF to assist its members with a complete OpenFlow test solution to deliver faster time to market with high quality.
OpenFlow is a very popular technology these days. We have customers from all sorts, from service providers to enterprise data center customers, asking for OpenFlow support from our products, all over all the products in Brocade.
We have customers today who are using it at different levels of deployment. Some are in POCs, some are looking at demos, some are doing deployments in production networks, and we are already seeing more demand for it from our customers. In general, the awareness of SDN and OpenFlow is increasing, which is leading to more demands.
It is valuable to collaborate deeply with many other companies in ONF.
It's a great way to meet great people and build your peer networks as well.
If you'd like to find out more about the Open Networking Foundation, and you're not on our website now, please visit it at www.opennetworking.org.